Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 to year 2019. And if you guys need to find the fuse for the MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor, stay with us, we'll cover that today. Also, we'll talk about testing the MAF sensor, how to replace MAF sensor, all that will be covered, so make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now, we're going to open the hood, guys. You have 3 different fuse boxes on your Ford C-Max, but we're going to work on the one that's under the hood right here in the engine compartment. That's the fuse box that we need. Your MAF sensor, guys, okay? You don't see it here, okay? We have a special video that will teach you where the MAF sensor is located, how to replace it, and how to test the MAF sensor, so make sure you check it out. Right here on the back side, okay, we're going to open that fuse box, remove the cover. It's a little bit tight fit. So if you look, guys, okay, that's what we lift up, okay, and it comes out. Now, what we have here, the layout of the fuses, guys, corresponds to what we have in the fuse box practically over here. The fuse that we need to check for the MAF sensor, guys, it's a small 5 amp fuse actually. It's fuse number F27, this fuse right here. Check the ratings for your fuses to make sure if it's a 5 or different size, but ours is 5 amp fuse, this one here. And if you want to see how to test the fuse or relay, I'll put the link to a video that explains that in a great detail, so check it out. It will be in the description of the video below. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.